Can you imagine some luxury watches being worth more than a house? Yes, that is true. The most expensive watch ever sold was a luxury women's watch. The Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime Reference 6300A sold for a staggering $31 million in 2019. Vast, right? In today's video, we will discuss the best 7 luxury watches for women. We'll cover a wide range of price points and styles, so there's sure to be a watch on this list that's perfect for you. Stay tuned to discover which luxury watches made our list and learn why they're some of the best watches for women today. Number 7. Cartier. The new Cartier Baignoire is a stunning timepiece that is sure to become a modern classic. It was an instant hit at the Watches and Wonders trade exhibition this spring, and for good reason. Its well-proportioned design and enticing gold bangle make it a truly eye-catching watch. The Baignoire is available with a gold bracelet or a leather strap, so you can choose the perfect style to match your taste. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of gold or the timeless appeal of leather, the Baignoire will turn heads. At $14,000, the Cartier Baignoire is a significant investment. But a watch of such high quality and craftsmanship is worth the price. The Baignoire is a watch that will be cherished for generations to come. Imagine yourself wearing the Cartier Baignoire. You feel confident and stylish, knowing you are wearing one of the most iconic watches in the world. The Baignoire is more than just a timepiece. It is a statement of your personal style and taste. Number 6. Gucci 25H. The Gucci 25H is a timepiece that knows how to celebrate a milestone. Can you believe that it's been a century since the iconic brand? Designed with architectural finesse, this watch is as streamlined as a modern skyscraper and just as eye-catching. Let's talk about that dial for a second. It's not just any dial. It's graced with these etched G patterns that spell out luxury with every tick of the hand. It's as if Gucci is whispering sophistication every second. And how about that bracelet and case? They have this sporty flair that says, hey, I can hang at a black tie event, but I'm also up for a spontaneous weekend getaway. It's versatility in metal form. Indeed, a watch for all seasons and reasons. Don't even get me started on the range of materials you can opt for. From steel that's as solid as your work ethic to diamonds that dazzle like a night sky and even platinum for that extra wow factor. There's a 25H for everyone. Seriously, you have options, whether pinching pennies or splurging on payday. Take, for instance, the variant priced at $1,700. We're talking 18-karat yellow gold, mingled with stainless steel. Isn't that a beauty? It's like wearing a piece of art that also tells time. Plus, you're getting all that luxury without selling a kidney. It's luxury made accessible. What do you think? Could you see yourself sporting one? Number 5. Omega Seamaster. The Omega Seamaster is celebrating its 75th anniversary this year. The brand has outdone itself by launching a mesmerizing new collection of timepieces. Each watch features an ocean blue display, a heartwarming nod to the Seamaster's enduring naval legacy. Isn't it poetic to think that every glance at the time could momentarily transport you to the high seas? If you're wondering which model to choose, may I direct your attention to the 38mm Seamaster Coaxial Master Chronometer. This is no ordinary watch. It's a harmonious marriage of durability and understated elegance. Imagine the ruggedness of a military look, engineered to withstand the harshest conditions and last for generations. Now blend that with the sophisticated charm you'd want from a wristwatch that graces your arm during board meetings or dinner dates. It's like having a loyal shipmate who cleans up nicely for the captain's ball. It's intriguing, isn't it? But let's talk brass tacks for a moment. This exquisite piece carries a price tag of £6,400. Yes, it's an investment, but it's also a statement. It's like owning a work of art that elevates your style and serves a functional purpose. The Aquaterra 150mm Coaxial Master Chronometer isn't just a watch, it's an experience, an heirloom, and a conversation starter, all rolled into one. Word on the street is that a lengthy queue is forming for this masterpiece. And why wouldn't there be? It's a blend of Omega's 75-year legacy with modern engineering marvels. So, if this watch is singing to you like a siren to a sailor, you should set your current, less majestic watch ahead and make a dash to claim yours. Wouldn't you love to be part of this watch's rich history while making some of your own? Number 4. Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Quartz. It's difficult to imagine that Gerald Genta's almost spontaneous design could become such a significant milestone in horology. Since its introduction in 1972, Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Quartz has held a near-mythical status among enthusiasts and collectors. What makes the Royal Oak truly groundbreaking is its unique character. A sports watch made of luxury steel, breaking all the conventions of what a high-end timepiece should be. It's as if Audemars Piguet looked at the rulebook and said, "Let's rewrite this." A water-resistant sports watch up to 50 meters, yet delicately slim with its 7mm case, challenges the norms of sporty ruggedness and svelte elegance. You brought up a fascinating point about the balance between strength and comfort. You see, in the world of engineering and design, that's often a paradox. The thinner an object, the more delicate it tends to be. Yet Genta, the maestro that he was, elegantly sliced the casing in half, sealing it ingeniously with a gasket. It's a masterclass in design minimalism. Every element is so carefully considered that nothing superfluous overshadows what's essential. At Audemars Piguet, they don't just make watches. They craft philosophies encased in steel. Now, about the price. It's certainly not for the faint of heart. The AP Royal Oak begins its journey at around $20,000 and can skyrocket to $100,000 or more, depending on your taste for extravagance. It's not just a watch you're investing in, it's a piece of history, a wearable testament to innovation and enduring style. The Royal Oak isn't just a timepiece, it's an heirloom that, much like a fine wine, only gets better with age. Number 3. Rolex Oyster Perpetual Date, just 31. Rolex is one of the most iconic watch brands in the world, and for good reason. Their watches are known for their exquisite craftsmanship, timeless design, and durability. The date just 31 is no exception. Introduced in 1945 to celebrate Rolex's 40th anniversary, the Date Just was designed to be a versatile watch that could be worn for any occasion. It features a self-winding movement and a date window that automatically advances at midnight, making it practical and stylish. The Date Just 31 is a smaller version of the classic Date Just, making it perfect for women with smaller wrists. It is available in various materials, including oyster steel, gold, and two-tone combinations, and can be customized with different dials, bezels, and bracelets. Rolex has recently released 3 new models of the Date Just 31, each featuring a dial decorated with a natural motif. The Palm dial features a palm tree motif. The Lapis dial features a lapis lazuli stone motif, and the Coral dial features a coral reef motif. These new models are perfect for women who want to add a touch of nature to their style. The Rolex Date Just 31 is one of the most elegant watches available, and it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. It's the perfect accessory for any woman who wants to make a bold fashion statement. Price. A Rolex Date Just 31 varies depending on the model and materials used, but it typically starts around $7,800 and can go up to $16,000 or more. Number 2. Cartier Tank, Louis Cartier. The Cartier Tank Louis is a must-have for any serious watch collector. It is the watch against which all other tank watches are judged. The Tank Louis is a masterpiece of Art Deco design, inspired by the armored fighting vehicles used in World War I. Its instantly identifiable rectangular case and straight lugs have remained largely unchanged since the watch's inception in 1923. The Tank Louis is a watch that is both stylish and functional. It is perfect for any occasion, from a casual day out to a formal event. It is also a very durable watch, making it a wise investment for years. Jackie Kennedy, Michelle Obama, and Angelina Jolie are just a few celebrities who wear the Tank Louis. It is a watch that is both timeless and elegant. The price of a Cartier Tank Louis varies depending on the model and materials used, but it typically starts around $8,800 and can go up to $48,925 or more. Number 1. IWC Portofino Automatic Day and Night 37. The IWC Portofino Automatic Day and Night 37 is a stunning watch that combines classic elegance and modern innovation. It is the perfect watch for anyone who wants a stylish and functional timepiece. The watch features a sleek, simple design with a 37mm stainless steel case. The dial is adorned with Roman numerals and simple hour markers, and the hands are in the classic foil style. The watch also features a day and night complication at 6 o'clock, which shows the precise time of day with a rotating disc. The sun and moon appear at the top of the screen at noon and midnight. An automatic movement with a power reserve of up to 42 hours powers the Portofino automatic day and night 37. The watch is also water resistant to 50 meters, making it suitable for everyday wear. This masterpiece is a valuable addition to any formal or informal wardrobe. It is both an impressive timepiece and a fascinating topic of conversation. The price of an IWC Portofino automatic day and night 37 is nearly $21,000. Which of these luxury watches is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos on luxury watches, fashion, and lifestyle. And remember to hit the like button and share this video with your friends.